Hello, brothers and sisters. A warm welcome to Investigate. I'm Avatar Lahiru, your guide in this series. Nice to see you again. Today, we're going to cover an essential life skill, personal budgeting. How to prepare a budget and why it matters. What is a personal budget? A personal budget is simply a financial plan. It records your income and your expenses over a period, usually a week or a month, but it's more than just numbers. A good budget also sets aside money for saving and investing, for emergencies, education, retirement, or other goals that matter to you. Alrighty. So why should you prepare a budget? First, it helps you track your income and expenses so you know exactly where your money goes. Second, it supports your financial goals, both short-term and long-term, and makes them achievable. Third, it prevents debt by keeping you within your means and reducing financial stress. Fourth, it builds savings and emergency funds, protecting you from unexpected shocks. Fifth, it improves your decision-making, helping you avoid impulsive spending and focus on priorities. Sixth, it prepares you for life changes like marriage, children, or career moves because your budget can adapt with you. And seventh, it builds financial discipline. Over time, budgeting becomes a healthy habit that strengthens your future. How to prepare a budget, step by step. First, know your current income and expenses. List down every source of income. Write down all your expenses, both essentials and non-essentials, so you have a clear snapshot. Second, match your income with your expenses. Decide whether you'll budget monthly or weekly. Work out your average income and average expenses, and then see if you have a surplus or a gap. Third, list your financial goals. Set short-term goals, things you want to achieve within 1 to 3 years, like settling a loan, taking a trip, or building an emergency fund. Then set long-term goals, those that take more than 3 years, like buying a house, preparing for retirement, or funding your children's education. And don't forget to prioritize them. Fourth, create your financial plan. Estimate the cost of each goal. Decide how much you need to save daily, weekly, or monthly. Cut down on non-essential spending. Allocate any new income straight to savings instead of extra consumption. And make it a family effort. Shared goals mean shared discipline. And fifth, monitor and review your budget. Compare your actual spending with your plan regularly. If you miss the target, find out why and make adjustments. Keep your family aware and accountable, and update your budget when your income changes, like after a salary raise or new income stream. Please refer to pages 67 to 69 of the CBSL curriculum for sample templates on categorization of income, categorization of personal and family expenses, and a sample personal budget. Let us now look at the usefulness of digital budgeting tools. Digital tools can track expenses automatically and give reports, help you set goals and visualize progress, allocate money for savings and emergencies. These apps build discipline and prevent overspending. Why is this important to us? Remember, a budget is not about limiting your life. It's about directing your money toward the life you want. Start simple, stay consistent, and involve your family. Over time, budgeting will give you confidence, control, and peace of mind. The next video from Chapter 6, we will focus on topic of personal tax literacy. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.